Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Cancers. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, so you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards, guys. We have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Wheel of Fortune and Emperor in reverse. So Cancers, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is really compassionate, kind and understanding. You help people with your guidance, knowledge, and you're someone who has a lot of experience, and you are someone helpful, guys. You have a helpful nature and you guide people no matter what your situation is, Cancers. And today in your life, guys, it may be in your work or it may be in this relationship, certain things are happening, something that is not going according to expectation, so you feel really lost or stressed. So you are thinking that you cannot believe this person. Maybe they are hiding something, they are not telling you the truth. So some kind of deception on their part or lack of clarity on your part, some confusions, doubts you may have today on this person, guys, and you feel that they are not to be trusted or they are not reliable. And this relationship, this love is simply affecting you a lot. It is having a great impact on you, guys, because you would have you were trusting this person, you believed them, but this person is not to be trusted and you don't know what are their true intentions today, guys. Maybe something is missing in this relationship and you feel that you cannot trust them now, and that is simply making you feel sad and worried because you were thinking that this is true love and what you both have between yourself is true love. But when you feel that you cannot trust them today, some kind of misunderstanding or lack of trust is the reason for this relationship going in a very negative way. And the reason for this situation, maybe, guys, it may be destiny or karma, maybe the pain you are facing, whatever it is a part of destiny. The reason why things are going this way, guys, maybe this person and yourself, you are going through a lot of pain, and that may be a part of your destiny, because there are certain changes waiting for you. It may be a great emotional change or a spiritual change waiting for you, and this sadness or this stress you are feeling now is the is that growth hormone or something which gives that boost or push towards something positive. So it may be the play of destiny, what is happening in your life, this relationship, having this connection in your life, having this association with this person are all a part of destiny, guys, and destiny is the reason for things happening in your life today, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for y'all guys, Cancers. And for some of you, your destiny may even change towards something positive. So there is a chance for a negative and a positive destiny unfolding in your life, guys. So you need not worry. These cards may point out something negative, or the way we were telling you the reading, it would have been a negative reading, but you need not worry. It's just pointing out towards that direction you need to work on, and your life is in your hands, guys, and what you make of your situation is totally in your hands, and these cards are not the ones handling your life. So you need not worry, and you can have that confidence in your situation, guys, confidence in yourself. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card, and this is your first crystal and second crystal. So you can either choose the crystals or the cards. So before choosing, we will close our eyes, meditate for a few seconds, think about our situation that needs to be answered. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this crystal and this card aside. So we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. Let's see what it is. It's an angel card, guys, and it is Archangel Raphael. So with this card, whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today, helping us out in this particular situation. So this angel stands for healing, guys, healing at all levels, healing mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and physically. And his healing light will ensure safety for us, safe travel, and guiding us and helping us, assisting us to reach our destination. So it may be a destination we may be reaching physically, or it may be a dream destination for ourselves, maybe the emotional growth that we have, vision for ourselves, or a spiritual growth that we have hopes for in our future. So whatever the destination is, this angel is here guiding us to have that potential and choosing a nurturing and a very healthy lifestyle for us to follow, so that it will increase our potential we have in our life, guys. And with this card, there is also that energy for you to heal yourself and help others also to heal in their situation. So whatever is beneficial for you and for the people around you or the people with you, to help them in their physical and spiritual growth. So you should go for those actions, and we will get that insight and clarity in our situation. So whatever needs to be done, that is what this angel is here guiding us today, guys. So maybe it is time we are maybe in a circumstance healing from something, maybe healing from an illness or healing from some emotional stress, and this angel is here guiding us today to get that clarity, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading with this card. So let's keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we will see what is the card and it says come to the edge. So with this card, guys, it just means that today it is the time for us to take that leap of faith in our situation, overcoming fear and accepting the risk that we are facing today in that circumstance. So in a relationship, sometimes we need to take a risk. So we often hide ourselves, protect ourselves, so we never reveal what we truly feel to that other person. But today, maybe you need to take that risk yourself, allow yourself to be truly seen. So what you are, you need to show it to that other person. So it is important for you to speak up, voice what you need and say what you want, and only then this person will understand you and you will be able to build an authentic relationship. So if you want a deep meaningful relationship, this is not the time for you to play it safe, but it is the time to take that leap of faith, take that one step towards truth and reveal what you truly want to this other person. And you have to have courage in your heart, guys, and need not fear about what this person will think or what they will assume of you. So you have to just show them the truth and you need not fear. The results will be amazing and you will feel wonderful for having shown this person your true nature, your true feelings and your true emotions. And this is the time for that. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.